everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library, here with your trusty assistant, Blue the Fox. And for this week's Take and Make craft, we are making this alien headband. In your craft kit this week, you will receive 3 pipe cleaners, 4 googly eyes, and a sheet of colored cardstock. We are starting off with our colored cardstock as the base of our headband. I'm going to cut out a strip a couple inches wide and then layer that over the paper to cut another strip the same width. Then to make our crown, I'm stapling the 2 sides together. If you're working with young children, of course, make sure to give them some help with this. And this is also where you can size it to your personal alien's head. Then I'm closing that into a circle and stapling the other ends in place. Putting that aside from now, we can work on the eyes and antennas. I'm going to fold one of my pipe cleaners in half and cut it to make 2 long strips and 2 small strips. Then I'm taking a pipe cleaner, winding it around a marker or a pencil or something long and skinny, pulling that out so the curl is a little looser, and rolling the end so it's a curly Q or like a fiddle-fed fern. So I have a nice solid surface to glue on my googly eye. When I'm happy with the size, I'll take some wet glue, attach my googly eye. When that's done, I'll go ahead and repeat that process for the other 4 pieces of pipe cleaner. The only difference is that the 2 short ones will just be a little bit shorter. As always, we'd love to see your finished Take and Make crafts. Feel free to share them with us at Wauconda Area Library on Instagram and Facebook. Now that all of our eyeballs are complete, we can attach them to our crown by using a piece of tape and adhering them in place. So I'll repeat this process for the other eyes, doing the 2 long ones in the middle and the 2 short ones on the end. However, you can do whatever order you would like. Lastly, I'll draw a face for my alien. It is up to you what kind of alien you think you've made. I'm giving this guy a silly smile. And with that, we are done. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you next week with a new Take and Make craft. Bye!